Myntri rangba ke jelau Konrad ke sangma hadin ke Jingkhlad no jong uklido ke balang Catholic upo Francis ula Phah ke Khubor Sngewlem lingba ke Facebook post jong u kuman jikudo ba upo Francis ula khlad no ha ka arpwei trik uyayong arhaja arpusan kumba ha ka por nyo lai pusan AA ha po ke yeng sa jong u ha Vatican Casa Santa Marta Hakarta ka ba prapupras nem namar ka jingpang ka balabat yu mental khamslem bat ka balapin kut ya ka jingsan shar pop ka balane khat arsnem hakani ka sngi nagalyang ki Myntri ka Sorkar MDA 2 makin thop ya ka doctor Mazel Amprin Lingdo bat oba AL hek kila pharu ka Khubor Sngewlem halor ka ni ka Jingkhlad no jong Pope Francis.
So I am deeply saddened by the demise of His Holiness Pope Francis, the heads of the Roman Catholic Church. The Pope Francis, he led an example, be a good human being, humility, and he prayed to everybody. So his sudden demise is a great shock and a loss, not only to the people of our church, but the whole world. Since I pray, may his soul rest in eternal peace.
It is with deep sense of sadness and a profound feeling of great loss that today the Vatican has officially announced the passing away of His Holiness Pope Francis. We all mourn the passing away of such a good soul. Pope Francis was known for his honest interpretation of archaic law. He was a friend of the youth. He was focused on positive participation of the church in world matters, in matters of conservative issues like especially the take of the church on matters which were controversial in nature. He was 88 years of age, and despite the illness that he underwent in the last few months, we, the believers of the Catholic Church, were expecting him to be able to be available to continue his leadership in such a big organization like the Catholic Church. I send my deepest condolences to the Vatican and to the entire family of the Catholic Church. And we believe that with his passing away, his interventions, his take on issues, and his lucid and clear content of messaging on all matters will continue. His teachings, his beliefs, his ideology was seen as very, very productive, especially in modern generation where we are tested by so many new debates. And I personally feel this loss, and I personally will remember him and pray for him and the eternal repose of his soul. May his soul rest in peace eternally.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.